People's aspiration above centre's dictate, Chief Minister N. Biren says state cabinet decision on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will be taken soon. Revering Maharaj Gambhir Singh, UPF observes National Reconsolidation Day, demands immediate cabinet decision on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Genocide of native people, Disarm and MSU warns of seeking political autonomy from India by Northeast states if Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is passed in Rajya Sabha. And unity gains thread, various political parties unifying condemning Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Tangcham with the headlines and details. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has today declared that public interest will be considered first before following the centre's verdict in connection with the contentious Citizen Amendment Bill 2019. He assured that a state cabinet decision on the bill will be taken and the centre will be apprised on the same without further delay. Urging for public cooperation in such vulnerable situation brought on by the recent passing of the bill, Chief Minister Biren assured of all possible efforts to ensure that the bill does not harm the state in any manner. He further assured of his apprising the centre to give assent to the Manipur People's Bill at the earliest. Chief Minister Biren made the statements during the 185th death anniversary observance of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at Maharaja Gambhir Singh Samadhi in Langthabal constituency, Kanchipur today. The memorial observance was organized by the State Archaeology under the Art and Culture Department. Chief Minister Biren also unveiled the statues of late Maidingu Nara Singh and late Sana Hirachandra on the occasion. Biren called on every natives to protect the identity of the state.
अखोई ngasi sarkar paijari base lamdam sigi masani lamdam sigi ini lamdam sigi saksu leijari ba akhoi ngak pai base akhoi gi thon bharat federal structure ne center gi oiba mogi lawri ba potuna hekta khuding makta adu taw har kanda akhoi na supanya ya gada banati akhoi gi state gi oiba akhoi gi firep akhoi gi assembly gi oiba akhoi gi praja sing oiba firep to da sigi sarkar se chatkani hai base mai mayam tai assurance bija gi machine Assembly gi amadi praja Manipur praja mayam gi madugi thajaba koi mangaloi Constitution da dum allowed to bopone Constitution da minority linguistic ki oiro culture gi oiro religious ki oiro protection gi sound room bi bopone Bangladesh gi sanga ga tasal laga ga sumai tograda no madu to holoi koi
Chief Minister Biren also assured of renovating Maharaj Gambhir Singh Samadhi into a significant place by inscribing the details of all the kings who once ruled the kingdom of Manipur on the walls of the Samadhi complex. Speaking in the event, Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar urged everyone to learn from history and come forth together for a peaceful and harmonious coexistence, while CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham said history has proven that disunity leads to defeat. He called on everyone to unite and march together towards development.
Nagagi sil now sing sometimes pain the badagi akhoi Manipur gi part ama oiram de adu tok de da tok de hai pain the badagi hai bo igni history na di ade history na di adu ma British ki mayok ta thengna ki ba Manipur gi ningkha tam gi landu da sirai thangal sirai naga jail manung de hang tor ga hatkhi saukami naga gauho naga Andaman Nicobar da Lloyd have the Yorga other on example Shiki. See, when I don't consult the Roda Tamaga, I get Pambaning, but the Sana Baduna say with the unity, the integrity, the Adokoi must sell you have self respect among us. And how give a worries in Siakoi, cook the Ningsing Banana Matutai. Adugina in a Shida, Sigi Park, Siaquick, Makalamagi Park, when give. Any Mapandagi Lapa me and Manipur, say Kanginga, Shida Kangba.
United People's Front UPF observed the annual National Reconsolidation Day in honor of Maidingu Nongdren Khomba, also popularly known as Gambhir Singh, on his 185th death anniversary at Lamyan Basanglin Palace compound today. Maharaj Gambhir Singh is revered for his contributions in building a united Manipur by ending the 7 years devastations in the state after expelling the Myanmarese invaders. Speaking in the event, UPF President Warepam II urged Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren led state government to hold a cabinet meeting and take a decision against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 at the earliest. He strongly condemned the passing of bill in the Lok Sabha yesterday amid issues regarding influx of migrants in northeast states. He maintained that the bill will lead to extinction of indigenous people of the northeast states. Warepam II urged people and MPs of northeast states to prevent the bill from passing in the Rajya Sabha. He drew the attention of the state government to take a decision against the bill like Meghalaya and Mizoram governments. He also appealed to all the political parties to unitedly face the issue. The UPF president reminded the distress condition of Manipur during the 7 years of devastation in the hands of Myanmarese invaders. He urged everyone to learn from it and stand united against any force threatening the state. Leaders of both the hills and valley of the state attended the event.
Masigi bill ase hoji leriba honorable chief minister na masigi wakala si hoji Meghalaya da amadi notice gi atop state sing the lawriba sing ba phire basida akoi gi honorable CM na asigum laba mayam na yadi hariba sing bill ase ma chu support obum thoi aduna ma ki oi ba chu chap chaba masi ayak yaroi habe gi dugum laba phire ba do akoi ngasi gi sarkar sin koi lohon jani masida BJP gi Congress gi CPI gi or natraga regional party sing gi oi ba asigum laba sing tongana thamakanda lakaduriba maduna pirakaduriba sei thingsing adudagi aikoi party gi tongan tongan ba wakalon sing asi thadominar kanda koi punna thabak tobi.
A group of students under the initiative of Desam took out a protest rally against the yesterday's passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha. The protest rally took off from Sagolban Moirang Lairak towards Greater Imphal. However, police halted the rally and scuffles ensued between the protesters and the police personnel. Sagolban road was blocked for some time during the ruckus. The police finally managed to control the protesters and shoo them away back to Desam office in Sagolban Moirang Lairak via Wahingbam Laikai parking. Speaking on the sidelines, Desam President Salam Akas expressed apprehension that the bill, once enacted into an act, will be a threat to all northeast states, including Manipur. He said that enactment of the bill will be similar to genocide of native people of the northeast states. Expressing total loss of faith in both the ruling and the opposition parties, the Desam president urged every ethnic groups of the northeast states to unite against the bill.
Citizenship Amendment Bill jina ek olpa taragadi North ki native people mayam je loinamak genocide togibagi yabagi possibility chaung lei aduna Manipur lai bidiba tongan tongan be ethnic groups ki isinaw punamak punjilakanda Manipur gi su Citizenship Amendment Bill gi sapu huji yaroktringai da kari step lokot pa yage lamdam si lai riba purup mayam si kannabai damakta akoi kari to mathau tagdage edu huji punna khanamina ba yaba matam ore punna jungsilakanda punna honamina si India government na North East ki lai riba native people mayam si genocide togodore pasima khangbiu Manipur gi lai riba tongan tongan be ethnic groups Punjalakanda Manipur gisu kari fireb lahogdage habduma chap chaba ma central government da khanba mathau tai masima mek sengna khanglogda taragadi North East people sida threaten piriba mayam si sapuji atuki matik henjalakani aduna masida lebiriba tongan tongan puruk gi silnaw mayam si punjalaga amutang koi iramdam si kanmi nausi madugi damakta tongan tongan lokol pa step du kari lokholagadi hen intensified ogani adu kari lokholagadi central government gi sapha ni sida tabi gadage do koi kunum khanaba mathau tai.
Desam states is set in against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 before taking out a protest rally early in the day at Sagolban Moirang Lairak Machin today. Speaking to media, Desam Vice President and Edison asserted that Northeast states will seek for political autonomy status from India if Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is ever passed in the Rajya Sabha.
Indigenous community sing asibu mitoki chao Iraq na hanan lagnaba honaba India lainga ki thaong desamna tuminna yengduna leiba ngamoi loirana Northeast tariba tongan ba group sing mase khoi punsin aduna hariba Northeast tat khundaminariba akhoi indigenous machine yam jataba indigenous community sing asigi right ki damak ahen ba political autonomy ama ki damak desamna campaign tawbuse ngasi karigumba hariba bill si Rajya Sabha da pass tawbu taraga masi ki damak Desam Shem Sabah Loira have Wafam Amukahana, Masako India Langata, Masigi, Wafam Se Amuka Ningsing Ninge.
President of All Manipur Students Union AMSU Manjit Sarang Thiem warned that Northeast states will separate from India if the Indian government endangers the people of Northeast states. Speaking to media at AMSU head office in DM University campus today, Manjit stated that the Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed in Lok Sabha yesterday, disregarding the interests of the people of Northeast states. He demanded Chief Minister N. Biren to probe his earlier statement that motherland is more important than Chief Minister's seat.
Karigumba amukasu Rajya Sabha da pass toxin ki bathoklagadi awang nongpok lamdam da ekui awang nongpok miyam na ekui India da gi topai na tarage hai warak pa ya Honorable Chief Minister na ekui gi local media sing da CM gi fam da gi koi ima lewang ni hana lui hai bo phum phau Citizenship Amendment Bill gi matang da phungdok ki su thangna du ngasi phau da ngarang Lok Sabha da pass thokraba du la the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 gi mayok cha afum au phau
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA has demanded a stance from the allied political partners of the BJP government against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 before it is passed in the Rajya Sabha. Speaking to media at KSA office in Koyathong this afternoon, KSA President N. Chetan challenged anyone supporting the bill. He termed it unfortunate that approval from the Manipur People's Bill 2018 passed in the State Assembly was sidelined while Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 was passed in Lok Sabha yesterday, imposing threat for native inhabitants of Northeast states. He alleged that the BJP government's act is a hidden agenda to convert Manipur into a Hindu majority state like that of Tripura.
BJP की allied party ओरिबा NPP, NPF, LJP न चिंगबा सिंगना the Citizen Amendment Bill 2016 की मतंगदा मखोई की ओबा फिरेप अदु लेबाक मियामदा राज्य सभा द पुथोक्त्रिंगाइदा लाउथोक्तबदी the Citizen Amendment Bill 2016 की मायोक्ता लैतबा खुदिमक लेबाक मियामगा लोइनना Kanglei Park Student Association na atingba thamlagani the Citizen Amendment Bill 2016 asina override tawduna the Manipur People Protection Bill 2018 bu namchinduna honaba asi Manipur Kanglei Park miyamna yaroi loinana KSA na lebak miyamga khongjung changchalani.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM and Students Union of Kanglei Park SUK in a separate press releases informed that the unions have resolved to unconditionally support any movement against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Atheno Heritage Council Harry Kond and Apunba Iraibaki Mahairoi Singh Panglup Ames also condemned the passing of the bill. President of All Manipur United Club Organization Amuko PH Deban has warned of intense mass agitation by civil society organizations of the Northeast against the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Speaking to media at Amuko head office in Kwakaithal today, Deban termed the passing of the bill as a total disregard for the people of the Northeast states by mainland Indian.
Citizenship Amendment Bill ki matangda Home Minister Rajnath na puthokiba adugumlaba Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 si pass tawkiba si akoi Manipur miyam gi amsung awang nongpok ki miyam gi una yamna laibak thibani
Amendment Bill asina pass tawkidana masibu ngakthoknaba
ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ.
Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System (JCILPS) has also condemned the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Speaking to media, JCILPS office Segaro today, JCILPS convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar lamented that the base year of 1951 demanded by people of the state for protecting the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur will become meaningless if the bill is enacted into an act.
Manipurda Leiba Mapangi Mioina 1951 gi Matungda Lakpa Singdi Manipur indigenous people in Sakangoi Haina Haibagi Bears yes in 1951 period. Hairiba 1951 Pana Kana Pizaragazu, Hairiba particular religion Karadusat Pasingdudi, Indian citizen Oina Laira Banina, Ikogi Base year 1951, the meaningless or Kadore, Karigumba Rai Sabada, Amuk past of Salapataragadi, inner line permit system or any sort of Kogi system, Satpamutam, the Kogi Hininga is only lative. Madhya Pradesh Gumba, Bihar Gumba, Tamil Nadu Gumba, Karnataka Gumba, Acha state, Amadadi, Shamu, Magi Masasi, the game, Sumnagi Pawa, Makaki Sadong, Tokoda Kashunati, Manipur Gumba Haing Makchauba, Masidagi, Sadong Pawa, Mapake, Habita, the Manipur Hingi driver.
Congress party also states a sit-in against the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 at BT Road today. Taking part in the protest, Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, Namai Rakpam Loken asserted that Congress party has always stood against the passing of the bill as it poses threat to the people of Manipur. But unfortunately, Chief Minister Biren and BJP have blamed the Congress of building up social tensions. He demanded BJP government to withdraw the bill before it passed in the Rajya Sabha, before widespread mass upheavals against the bill erupt. Loken also mentioned that even Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has condemned the bill and that the allied partner of BJP government in Assam, the AGP, has already withdrawn its alliance.
Chief Minister Magna Karigumba Manipur Solak Pataragadi Hyperpolama. Man adum high Palamel House of a Posna Lautokraba Hyperjaki Manipur Sornis Masana Tabani National People Party. She did the Megla, the Kodak Samamagna, Parliament, the Bilji had passed over Taragatina, build up with Horpamatam, the Logibado, passed over Bamatum, the Maduki period, Adum withdraw to Wigil Lepre. Aduga Assam the Sanminariba AGP, Masana, Irena Makoi, Sarkar, withdraw to Grey and Yedagi, Adubu, Ikogi Manipur, the Lady Bhatia Janata Party, the Lorokadaba period, Adu Ikoi, Tambangamde, Kangde, Karina no Hyperdangasi, the Lady by Ikogi Manipur, BJP, in the Lady Ba, Party Wangang, the Ginapunama, Aduga party, the Yauriba Kudimaxe, Sing the Kutkamanata. Aduku mamioi ngakna leibak asida sason toba ngang mana sauna ngangba thabaktana aikoi khajik tamak toba aduku party oibanina makhoina laurakadaba aduki phirep aduti khangma ngamde public ki issue praja gi sentiment si khangna thabak tobudumadi hayaina lawi.
Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Kumukcham Joykishan has asserted that the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday is a threat to all the minority communities of the northeast states, including Manipur. He said it is high time that people of the state stand united against the bill based on religion. Speaking to media, Kumukcham Joykishan lamented that people's demand for implementing inner line permit system in the state and Manipur People's Bill recently passed by Manipur Legislative Assembly were rendered meaningless by the bill. He maintained that the bill permits Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhists and Christian immigrants from Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh residing in India before December 31st, 2014 eligible for Indian citizenship. He expressed apprehension that issues regarding influx of illegal immigrants in northeast states will intensify with the passing of the bill. MLA Joykishan said people will now witness whether Chief Minister Nonthombam Biren gives priority to party interests or the interests of the public. It may be mentioned that National People's Party, NPP, an allied partner of the BJP governments in Meghalaya and Manipur may withdraw its alliance. National President of NPP, Conrad Sangma, has strongly condemned the bill, and even though NPP Manipur State Unit has not released any statements till now, it might quit its alliance with the BJP-led state government if situation demands.
Union Home Minister Rajnathna Assam gi se concern noiraga Assam gi ja koi tongan ba ma na Assam si am toina man asum concern be palli khwaide ngakli badi khoi gi Manipur gi sida lairi ba BJP gi leader sing sina hai de banani khangde khoi Congress na ri phane amna law rabani Citizens Amendment Bill gi matang se adubu Manipur gi oibo phum amatta palakhi da ba hai be se amna lebo thiningai ni lisang singna JCILPS na Satharak pa mayam ma tongan kraga Manipur People's Bill haiduna ma akhoina July da pass taw jagraga su hojibu machi lengdaba be wafam se muk to khraga madu wahan thakse karimta lero idoini hujik BJP party na Manipur gi mayam gi mayokta lepte haibese machine no mani ni da mayam loina khanglagani BJP party haibesina awan lokra tariba phuru macha singa se muthatlam honai haibesiti lengdraba sakhi ngasi thokriba ngarang thokriba thodo asina sakhi ore.
Major left parties, namely CPI, CPIM, RSP, Forward Bloc's joint left coordination committee Manipur have also condemned the passing of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha yesterday despite protests by opposition. Speaking to media at CPI office, BT wrote today, Chairman of the Joint Left Coordination Committee Manipur, L. Sotin Kumar, termed the bill as anti-constitutional, anti-secular and a ploy of Hindu fascism to convert India into a Hindu land. He added, if the bill is ever passed forcefully in Rajya Sabha like it was in Lok Sabha and turned into an act, it will consume the indigenous people of the northeast states. He further disclosed that the coordination committee will hold a protest meet in Imphal on January 11th.
Anti-constitutional amasung anti-secular oiba iroinana Hindu home theory da sagatpa bill se kudakta withdraw tongnaba left coordination committee Manipur na akanba demand tauri iroinana miyamna bill sigi mayokta hen akanba ihau sangselakani haina thajai loinana lagliba January tang 13 dagi hauraga left Coordination Committee na protest meeting pangthok tuna makha taba makhan kayagi ihau sangsalagani.
Northeast India Development Party NEIDP also protested against passing of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Taking part in the protest meet staged in front of Tera Ideal Club today, Vice President of NEIDP Central Working Committee Ilangbam Brojendro has strongly condemned the bill which poses a threat to native inhabitants of Northeast states. NEIDP extended full support to all the movements against the bill.
Ngasi ekoina sapu mai thariba asi ekoigi sandrembi ima ekoigi khwang yore sandrembi ima ngaksam yore haibadugi aduguma khudam changdam madune ekoina ulibase ekoi khong ka khre khut ka khre ekoi karam ngak ka pa ba ekoi ngai hi gadra haibadugi adugumba wakhalona dune ekoina thamjari base ima ase asugi matik ware haibadune ekoina miyam da ngasi sapu mai thabagi ekoina karigumba khudam am ka ekoina miyam gi mafam da thamjari base.
Manipur People's Party MPP has warned of demanding pre-merger agreement status of Manipur if the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 affects communities of Manipur and Northeast states. MPP alleged the government of passing the bill in the Lok Sabha yesterday to easily proceed with Hinduization of the country. Speaking to media at MPP office near Polo Ground today, MPP President Oinam Jogindro strongly condemned the passing of the bill, ignoring the sentiments of ethnic groups of the Northeast states. He also condemned the injuring of protesters by bullet shots during the NESO-initiated strike against the bill in Tripura yesterday. MPP extended full support to all movements against the bill.
India government Northeastern leriba Purup Singhe Masi Karigumba Makogi claim Makogi demand se Masi Tabidana Akoi Ngami Hadan Tobuse Masi MPP ne Kak Yabangam Loy Northeastern leriba community Ama Sopomatamda MPP na Yabangam Loy Amadi Madu Kanabonabada Asobo Kongjang Changjangani Luna MPP na Taliba demand Singhe Masi Karigumba Bharat Sarkar na sum neglect Ogdana Kawirector Gadi Akoi MPP na pre-merger political status to akoi tanjini haina akoi hana su lokthok chagre masi akoi talakani.
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has demanded to know the stance of the BJP-led state government on the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019, which poses a threat to all the northeast states, including Manipur. Speaking to media at party office in Babupara today, party President M. Tombi termed the passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill as a black day for the people of northeast states. He expressed apprehension at the possible influx of immigrants from neighboring countries in the state. Tombi said even though Shiv Sena is an allied partner of the BJP in the centre, Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit is totally against the bill. The party president extended full support in all movements for safeguarding the indigenous inhabitants of the state.
Manipur political party Tare Tara Tongno Tanaraga, Center the Kari Hayu Shika Habase, I could Kana Minaba, Yam Matok Tagani, Citizenship Amendment Bill passed to Gibase, Manipurgi Shiv Senagi State Union strongly condemned away. Loina Masi, Center of the State Labor Government Star, Aquena Tamjaning Madi, Awano Polang Dam Gioina, Untang Kanabivama, Loina Manipuri, particularly Manipuri in a Kanabivama, Yam Matok Tagani, Natravadi Masaki toning the Tok Tolopa, Mishimina Yoropa. Ban blockade, Matong Kangan Toxelapa Mayam, Aduga Masiki Ashauba, the Gitoning the Tolaku Targadi, Madugi Daitado, Center of the State Labor Government Puga.
Proscribed Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release strongly condemned the BJP government over passing of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha yesterday. The proscribed party alleged the BJP for trying to punish indigenous inhabitants of Manipur by passing the bill. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the impact of the 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions in Manipur on the second day today. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. The 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions since 6 a.m. yesterday continued in the state on the second day today. As a part of the ongoing strike, coordinating body of trade union Manipur took out a protest rally from Irabad Bhavan, Imphal. However, police halted the rally and scuffles ensued. The protest rally finally concluded at Dharmashala area following agreement. Speaking to media, chairman of coordinating body of trade union L. Sotin Kumar strongly condemned the government for trying to prevent the protest rally, which was carried out in a democratic manner.
Yamna democratic oiba khongjang asibo namthanabagi damakta ngasigi sarkarna lawraiba firebase coordinating body of trade union Manipur gi maikaidagi condemn tawi ngarangdagi horaduna chatharakpa general strike ase khoi hujik chama mai pavani ekhoina taliba dabi sing mayam punon mayek sena khanbire punamakini madudi makhatana Manipur da leriba tongan ba trade union sing organize amadi unorganized workers sing masi punamak pulap na punjalaga amat toy bali punamagi makhata na khoi na pukhali ba demand sing ase ari palaitana han balitana khoi thengnane bagi achoba phire amaga loiren makhata ba khongjang kaya ama mathang khoi changjan khigani.
The 36-hour general strike called by coordinating body of trade union failed to have much impact in Kakching district today. Business transactions continues as usual as all the major markets of the district like Kakching Bazaar, Palel Bazaar, Kakching Kuno Bazaar and Sugnu Bazaar were opened. Vehicles including passenger vehicles were seen plying on the roads. Police team under instruction of DC Nailan Thang Talian and SV Victoria Yengkong kept a strict vigil to prevent any unwanted incident. Employees of the Agricultural Department ceased work in solidarity to the 36-hour nationwide general strike called by central trade unions against the Indian government even on the second day of the strike today. Protesting employees taking part in the sit-in organized by Manipur Government Employee Federation Department Association, the Agriculture Department stood firm to continue supporting all the movements of All India Trade Union until the demands are fulfilled.
Department of Agriculture Makada Laiba, Akogi Mission Sing, Amadi, Departments the Ladiba, Hariba, Akogi Benefit Sing, Pangdaba, Pensingi, Karigi Mayam, Supulap, when a Yauraga Department Makasa Pamjaban.
Prescribed to United National Liberation Front in a press release has claimed responsibility for the bomb explosion at the residence of Yumnam Basanta in Yaiskul Hiruhanjabalaikai on January 4th. UNLF said the bomb blast was a warning to Basanta for swindling their money. The proscribed party urged local Maira Paibis, elders and local members not to support the swindler and to stay away from him to prevent casualties. Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren has challenged the Congress party to cite any false promise for works made by the BJP late state government. He declared not to field any BJP candidate for the upcoming parliamentary elections if the Congress can provide evidence. Chief Minister Biren was speaking in Vijay Lakshya 2019 annual gathering of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM organized by BJYM Manipur Pradesh at Lelong Chajing Pukri Mapal today. Biren stated that public interest in witnessing actions and not political lectures. He reiterated that BJP government is working earnestly for the welfare of the public. He expressed hope that BJP will win the upcoming Lok Sabha and that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will become the country's Prime Minister once again. Chief Minister Biren encouraged the young BJYM workers to play active roles in strengthening BJP.
MPCC guy na party scandal da sahi tara manga sahi kunsa Manipur pairak pada aikhoi masen khanalam banatana building mari manga saram banatana kari praja gi fanaba kari tor maka da moina hangba question Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na khumdoi non moina hangeba question du de ai bang na khumbasu matik chate maram di kari no da moina hangi du da achumba khumba yabam ta leite BJP na ngasi 1 year and 9 months da taure na hairiba post da haizen bani na pot am khak puthop ngam ba adu di akhoi mathang candidate puthop pi roge MP election noi free da thena jo haizen bani na am khatang weakness oina puthoba khudom bi thilaga rajniti ki pangangang baduna taba.
Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi has asserted that harmonious, peaceful coexisting will prevail in the state when we leave behind communal feelings. Okrami Bobi was speaking in the 19th Foundation Day of Universal Friendship Organization UFO Thaubal Shangtim Kongmarung branch in Thaubal today. President of All Manipur Nupi Marup Imati Ramani also attended the event.
Manipur ki culture city like Hyderabad, Lai Rashi, Bahigachandra, Koida, Maman Naidra, Kudona, ID, Pibi Ramani, Hydra, Lojan Bani, and culture city, Prithivina, Koida, Satami, Magi Azawa, Maman Naidra contribution Ama, Equida, ID. PB Rambani, ID, Mina, some Kajarimasi, some Mumbai, Lalamasi.
MLA Oinam Lukhoi has distributed free LPG connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana and yarns cart to 124 women beneficiaries of Yumnam Huidrom Thiam Leshangkhung in Wangoi constituency today. The event was held at Yumnam Huidrom Thiam Leshangkhung Public Community Hall. Speaking in the event, MLA Lukhoi assured to deliver all welfare benefits of the government like those under National Food Security Act, Handloom and Textiles Department and others to beneficiaries in the constituency. He reminded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated Ujjwala scheme to empower women and protect their health. Chairperson of Thongkong Lakshmi Municipal Council Yumnam Jamuna and councillors of the area also attended the event.
Hakchang se na de yektana afaba hakchang amalu galoina ne tam chang ne hingnana bagi Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana haidana scheme sim launch tawraga laira bagi pangkhai de leibai mung ching chi khallaga chumba gas piu haidana si scheme chi launch tawrba matungda aigi kendra da chu ngasi si khoini yenjaba se mi 124 beneficiary ni pijadori se aikoina mayam da praja singda sigumbagi khudong chab ji yahonba matamda
Registrar General of the High Court of Manipur, A. Guneshwar, stated that improper functioning of the State Forensic Science Laboratory (FSL) leads to delay in submission of reports. He was speaking in the one-day workshop jointly organized by Bar Council of Manipur, Manipur Judicial Academy and Manipur State Legal Services Authority today. Speaking further in the workshop held at the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur, Guneshwar stated that Manipur lacks adequate public prosecutors, hindering public in fighting court cases.
Expert report see FSL system the other court khare some na hai NTPS court is totally different man report FSL report la aur Manipur ye FSL se pura full fledged staff to kari dagi khulai dagi adumba oidabne awat pa dei na ko NTPS ba aduga forensic criminal government criminal court se report de case report latragati case makha chathwa ya to dina simasu aduna ko FSL se full fledged FSL aba laiba tarkata.
Attending the workshop, Chairman of Bar Council of Manipur's Executive Committee, A. Jagjit, lamented that people are losing trust in the judicial system and cited pending court cases as the main reason. He mentioned that people resort to illegal ways like mob justice to bring justice. Personnel of Manipur Police, judges, senior advocates and many journalists attended the workshop.
We all know that the number of pending cases in various courts in the subordinate judiciary are increasing day by day. However, number of disposals are very low in comparison with the rate of filing of the cases every day in these courts. The ratio of filing and the disposal is so alarming, which ultimately causes to the stagnancy of good number of cases.
All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association AMPFA observed its 22nd Foundation Day on the theme Agricultural Entrepreneurship as a Profession at Manipur Press Club today. Resource person in the event stressed on how to exploit various agricultural and related fields to boost farmers' income. Productive farmers were also felicitated on the occasion. Managing Director of Classic Group of Hotels and Babina Group, Dr. Thangjam Dabali, disclosed that a cancer hospital is under construction at Sajiwa as a part of Group's new endeavor to enhance healthcare sector in the state. He was speaking in the 9th Foundation Day of the Classic Group of Hotels held at Imperial Hall of Classic Grand today. Dr. Dabali sat acknowledging the inconveniences faced by doctors coming from outside the state during conferences. He decided to start a group of hotels. He said there are 3 hotels availing 281 rooms under Classic Group of Hotels at present. 61 diligent staffs were given promotion in the event. Best employees from 10 different departments were also felicitated on the occasion. The Best Department Award for the year went to Housekeeping Department. Best Unit Award was given to Hotel Imphal by the Classic, and the Pride of Classic Group of Hotels Award was accorded to Khongsang Kaling.
कोई पुलब टीम होने वक्त तो विनर नहीं टीम लीडर है हम ले रहे फॉलोअर में हम ले रहे सी फसना पुंजल लगा अमत तो इन्हें थबक सुमी नजर कदी सुने यार है अदुगाई ना हाइडिंग बमना टीम लीडर सिंह सी लीडर की क्वालिटी खर लेबम से चंगे लीडर सी ना एक्सपेक्ट तो बसी मागे मेंबर सिंह तो ना टीम की मेंबर सिंह तो ना रेस्पेक्ट तो वो पामे आई और सु मी और सु ऐन लीडर ने ले दे की मखा लेब सिंह तो इसी रेस्पेक्ट तो होनी है द रेस्पेक्ट सी by force demand to respect si law yate. If you demand respect, then the respect may come, but that is not a pure and true respect. Ki badai sum toksan na boy ne. Aduga true respect will come from the heart, inside mind manung dagi thol ka dong ne. Aduga respect to phangba leader do. Aduna kari gumama lead toraga move toraga tam da success or joy mal mite.
Singju Yokhatpa Lup, Manipur will organize the 4th annual Singju Festival in collaboration with Sangaitel Youth Club and Sangaitel Maira Paipi from January 13 to 22nd. The 10 days festival will be held on the theme Preservation and Protection of the Indigenous Food of Manipur at Sangaitel Park in Imphal West. Singju and other indigenous cuisines and over 150 of handicraft products and other decorative items will be made available during the festival. Speaking to media, convener of Singju Festival Committee Rakesh Naurim stated that The main aim of organizing the festival is to preserve Singju, an indigenous salad-type side dish of Manipur. He also said various events like Thangta, Kunu Ishai, Mukna, Wari Liba, Pena Saisak, classical dance, Sumanglila, legal awareness, planting of 3 saplings, health camp, discussion programs, etc. will be held during the festival. He appealed not to call any band of blockade during the festival.
Festival asi pangthokpagi moriba pandam haijaba tare singju haiba akhoi yauriba akhoi items te yauriba machan singcha marona akhoi medicinal plant sing na hena namna oiba singju gi machan da yauriba akhoi pambi sing medicinal plant singcha akhoi ngakna thamba promote be wakhalon chima ahanba akhoi pandamni singju da yauriba machan singje akhoi ching dauba tampak dauba de uthak dauba kha dauba leinung dauba tongan tomba akhoi pambi mayama punsin bane punsala kanda phajaba plan da thamba kanda akhoi na sanaba food item mona uri bacha maste nung da cheli bacha akhoi gi punsin bagi akhoi unit symbol of unity am khak yawe ana singju festivals na miyam da akhoi punsin si singju gi matona punsin bagi sakta mama akhoi lemina si apun basakta ma habesma ani shu pandamni.
And other sports news. Thoiba FC Leishangthem Thaudang is the new champion of the 6th Top Sifai State Level Open 5A side football tournament 2018-19. In the final match played today, Thoiba FC defeated Leo FC Top Sifai 3-1. 24 teams participated in the football tournament organized by Real Football Academy at Top Sifai of Wangoi constituency since December 20, 2018. Speaking in the closing event, Minister Thaunacham Shyam Kumar lauded Real Football Academy for organizing the tournament every year. He said such events will help in building a healthy society. The minister also urged the youth of the state to preserve the environment. Speaking in the event, MLA Oinam Olukoi stated that such local tournaments will help in nurturing the players of the state from grassroots level. President of All Naga Tangpi Association, SNG, Pamnaring kicked off the 38th Chakpikarong Subdivision Sports Meet at Chakpikarong Public Ground in Chandel District yesterday. 30 villages under Chakpikarong Subdivision are participating in the meet organized by Chakpikarong Subdivisional Sporting Association. SDO BDO of Chakpikarong, Rang David Kung, a BD of PHED, Chakpikarong Subdivision, Jameson and chiefs of the villages attended the inaugural event. Traditional dance songs and fashion shows were the main highlights of the opening ceremony. Kanglaisa team, who represented India International Sports Championship 2019, bagged 44 medals, including 23 gold medals, 13 silver medals and 8 bronze medals in various events. The championship was organized by Purba Medinipur Haldia Karate Championship and Sports Association at West Bengal's Kolkata Indoor Stadium from January 4 to 6. Western Valley Area Sporting Association kicked off the 10 days Western Valley Annual Sports Meet 2019 at Kambathel ground of Kambathel in Chandel district today. Finance Secretary of Atsum, Andrea Anal, and lecturer of Sugnu Higher Secondary School, R.D. Nungring Anal, graced the event. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People's aspiration above centre's dictate, Chief Minister N. Biren says state cabinet decision on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 will be taken soon. Reverend Maharaj Gambhir Singh, UPF observes National Reconsolidation Day, demands immediate cabinet decision on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Genocide of native people, Disarm and Amsu warns of seeking political autonomy from India by Northeast states if Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 is passed in Rajya Sabha. And unity against threat, various political parties unifying condemning Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019.